Hello students, welcome to this video lecture on engineering curves. I, Anthony Augustine, would be discussing the problem of parabola by parallelogram method. The problem statement is as follows. Draw a parabola circumscribing a triangle having sides AB, AC and BC 100, 75 and 50 mm respectively. So AB is given as 100, AC is 75 and BC is 50 mm. We have to draw the parabola passing through points A, B and C to circumscribe the triangle. So here the base length is given as 100 mm for sure, but this triangle is inclined, it is not an isosceles triangle. So we can't solve it by rectangle method, nor can we solve it with the tangent method. So we use another method called as the parallelogram method. So in this method, we start the construction by drawing the triangle. So I write down the data and draw a horizontal line on which I'll be taking the base length AB equal to 100 mm and also find its center. Now using compass, I take distance AC equal to 75 mm and through point A, I should have named it first. Through point A, I draw an arc of 75 mm. Then I take a distance of 50 mm on my compass, and through point B, I intersect the previously drawn arc and locate point C. I join points B with C as well as A with C to find the triangle. So this is the triangle. Now to construct the parallelogram ellipse, I join point C with the center of line AB and then draw parallel lines through point A and B. Parallel to the base, I draw a horizontal through C and this gives me a parallelogram construction. I'll use half the parallelogram and divide the side of half the parallelogram into equal number of parts. But since half the base length is 100, I can equally divide the base into 5 equal points, that is 10 mm each. Now I have to divide the inclined side of parallelogram, so I use the acute angle construction. I take 5 equal division, join the endpoint of the fifth division with the endpoint of the lying side and then start drawing parallel lines to it. I should give the name to the divisions found 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 dash 2 dash as shown. Now I join point C with 1, join 2 with point C and then with 3 and 4 respectively. Through 1 dash 2 dash I'll be drawing lines parallel to the axis. So because the axis is inclined, I draw inclined line parallel to the axis and find the intersection of 1 dash with 1, 2 dash with 2, 3 dash with 3 dash line and the intersection of 4 dash with 4. After having obtained the intersection points as shown in figure, I'll transfer the points through horizontal on the other side of the parallelogram. So I draw horizontal parallel to the base and take distance on the compass about its inclined axis and transfer it onto the other side. So we should be careful while transferring the distances. So I transfer for P4, P3 and P2 and finally P1. I've got all the points, I darken it, and now I am going to join it with a smooth continuous curve. So I use the French curve and join 3 or more points in a single stroke. So here I am getting more number of points in a single stroke and I complete the problem directly. So my curve is now complete and I have circumscribed the triangle ABC. The parallelogram can be seen. So the parabola is inscribed inside the parallelogram while it is circumscribing the triangle ABC. So this is parabola by parallelogram method and this is the given solution. So I hope you are able to complete the problem using the given video. Thank you for your patient listening.